Hello friends, hope you are doing great. So today we are going to create a web API in ASP.NET Core 3.1 and integrating Swagger for the same. So let's get started. I have Visual Studio 2019 preview version. So I'm using same for creating a web API. File, new project. Selecting ASP.NET Core web application. Next, giving the name like API demo. Create. Selecting ASP.NET Core 3.1. If you don't have install, you can install 3.1 and then follow the steps. So we don't want HTTPS, so I am selecting this. Select API template, create. So this is going to be a basic web API which we are going to create in .NET Core 3.1. In later video we can see advanced features which we can use for our end-to-end application development. So as of now, this is the basic application which we are going to create. So web API application created successfully. We have basic things. We have basic controller, weather forecast controller, app setting, program.cs, startup.cs, and the web forecast model. So let's run and make sure like it's running. So it has been navigated to weather forecast controller and it's giving the JSON result. So the web API is working. Let's close it. If you right click on this project solution and see like it's target framework 3.1. So let's integrate Swagger. There is a step-by-step guide for Swagger installation which we can follow. In Google we can search for get started with Swashbuckle and ASP.NET Core. Click on this get started with Swashbuckle and ASP.NET Core Microsoft. So it will give step-by-step guide. Let's follow. It will give what are the packages are available, but which we need, like we just need Swashbuckle, ASP.NET Core, and this is the pre-release version which we can try. You can install by using this NuGet package installer command, or we can go in solution and do through UI. So let's go and do through UI. Right click and see manage NuGet for this solution. So currently nothing is installed. So let's go and search for Swashbuckle. Swashbuckle.asp.NET Core. You have to include pre-release so that it will we will have the release candidate available for installation. So it has 26.2 million downloads. Select this one, and we want to be installed for this project. So select this project, and this is stable version, but we can use the pre-release version as well with the advanced features. So install. This is license acceptance script. So Swashbuckle.asp.NET Core package successfully installed. So let's go and integrate Swagger into application as well. So we need to configure using startup.cs. We have two methods like config services and configure. So let's see what is mentioned in the website. So add config Swagger in Swagger middleware in the startup class. So I will be taking this code register the Swagger generator in configure services. Okay, and so just mouse over on that one. You can see there is error, so just mouse over on that one, and you can use the shortcut Alt plus Enter or Control plus comma. So let's see what is potential fixes. Okay, we need to use the Microsoft Open API model. Error gone. I wanted to extract this as a new method because I don't want to mix with other services. So right click and extract as a method. So we have created new method. Let's name as a configure Swagger. Okay, let's use this here. Now let's see what is next. In configure method also we need to use app use Swagger. So let's do that in configure method. So let's do this. App dot use Swagger, and we need to use the app use Swagger UI. So that's it. Okay, let's build this solution. And we need to do one more configuration. Right click on this project solution, properties. Let's go to debug, and currently it's set to launch browser with the weather forecast controller. So let's change it to Swagger, so that whenever we run, it will open the Swagger index.html page. So save this and run this application. Perfect. So we have successfully integrated Swagger. Let's test it. There is one method in the weather forecast controller. We can test that. Try it out. Execute. So response is 200 successfully, and we got this weather forecast JSON data. Awesome. So successfully created ASP.NET Core 3.1 API and integrated Swagger. So hope you like this video, and see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.